So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a really quick video and a quick introduction. I just want to say I have already filmed this look, but I don't know, my editing software is just messing up. So this one is a more like sped up video. The other one I did was more in detail, more of a chit chat sit down kind of video, you know. But yeah, I had to just it was doing the most. So I quickly did this look. There's no eyelashes, no complexion base, foundation, concealer, just because I have another look to film, and yeah, it would just be doing too much, and I'm not expert at makeup, so yeah. But I hope you guys enjoy the video. Yeah, enjoy the blood clot video, alright? Because Kiki, do you love me? Are you fighting? Kiki, are you fighting? Kiki, are you fighting?